Hey, I'm Paul Hochman for the new Simple. You got your Goldtouch keyboard set up? Your desktop gear is starting to conform to you. Well, the next step in a complete custom desktop is Goldtouch laptop and tablet stands. 6 height and angle settings let you adjust your screen so it's exactly at your eye level. The upshot? Your shoulders will go from this to this. And lots less strain on your back. And it folds to the size of a tablet so you can take it with you. Your custom office everywhere. Then, travel. Check out the new Goldtouch Go travel keyboard. Same benefits as the standard, but folds in half for easy storage. Speaking of ease and comfort, the Goldtouch Comfort Mouse. It mirrors the natural shape of your hand and gently tilts your wrist to 24 degrees, easing pressure on your tendons and joints. A thumb cushion and these oversized buttons make clicking comfortable. Goldtouch, time to get into your comfort zone. I'm Paul Hochman for the new Simple.